N.R.T. here, guys. So this is a review and install video of these pallet forks that were sent to me. They can lift 4,000 pounds. They're clamped on. They're from OEDRO, I believe. I may be pronouncing that wrong. I'll put a link in the description to their website, to these pallet forks. Go check them out. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and install these on this case 580. Seem to clamp the tightest. Might need to get a bar on none of these, turn them in more, I guess. Okay, they are on. There they are right there. Like I was saying, those could be a little more. Yeah, let's see if I can move it, but I don't know, I'll test them out. I'm gonna go poke something and see if he'll pick that up. So, catch you guys there. Okay. So I'm gonna give you my honest review on these. They seem to do what they are made for, I mean. But the problem is these keep flying around, so I've seen people cut these off and weld them not right here or use a bolt. I think I may do that and then impact them down. And there's room for another one right here, so I can do that. Because I mean that's pretty tight right now, but look at that. I mean it slides around. I mean I don't know if these were designed to pick stuff up like I was just doing, but yeah, they seem pretty beefy. It's just the one thing that keeps sliding around because the adjuster ain't getting tight enough. And I may need to put a bar on this and crank it down like that, but I don't know. So, but gonna clean up this area here and get this burn pile ready to burn. So yeah, so huge shout out to Oreo or however you pronounce her name for sending these out, and look forward to more collaborations with them, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.